Hi everyone, today we're in Module 7, Measurement of Data, Lesson 14. So turn to page 59 to follow along and take notes. So you have just one page today. This is page 59. This is what it says. First of all, you're doing line plots and measurement data. So it says Hunter's class measured chalk lengths and recorded the data. Chalk length in inches. So here's all these chalk lengths that they measured. Then it says use the measurements to complete the line plot. How many x's go above 2 1/4? Well, let's count. Let's find out how many 2 1/4 measurements we got. So if we start looking through, here's 2 1/4 and 2 1/4 and 2 1/4, so 3. So that means on the line plot, we would go to 2 1/4 and we would just put 1, 2, 3 x's above it. That's a line plot. So let's look at 2 1/2. So how many x's go above 2 1/2? Let's count and find the 2 1/2. 1, 2, just 2. So then we would go 1, 2. All right, so now what you're going to do is you are going to finish the rest of this. We'll do one more together. So pause the video, figure out how many 2 3/4 there are, and then I'll do that with you. So pause right now and do that. Okay, so 2 3/4, let's count how many. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that what you got? 6. So then you would put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 x's above that. All right, now I'll finish the rest of these questions and then have it checked. So finish that page on your own. Good luck.